Welcome to my channel. If you want to learn DIY fashion hacks, crafts, as well as how to screen print, heat press, and run a small business, stay tuned. I'm Tara Monster and I like to make things. I am a costumer, crafter, and artist who has been successfully running a handmade business for over 14 years. I illustrate and screen print nature-inspired clothing that I sell on Etsy, Shopify, as well as wholesale to stores across the world. This is my passion and I love inspiring creativity in others. If you're interested in any of this stuff, be sure to stick around and also check out the playlist that I'm going to leave right below this video, the one that says Start Here. So head down there, check out those videos, and otherwise I look forward to seeing you in the comments of my videos because I want to help you with your projects. See you soon!